We're going to raise a sound, a coup in the camp of the enemy. For the kingdom of this world has become the kingdom of our God and of his Christ. Iba! 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 Can you open your mouth and roar in tongues for a few minutes? Can you raise a sound over Nigeria? As you can see on the news, something is happening. God is dealing with the enemies of our nation. Let the high praises of the Lord be in your mouth and as you, I just hold in your hands.